Tired of static stop-loss orders getting triggered prematurely? Let's dive into the Chande Kroll Stop, a dynamic tool that adapts to market volatility and helps you protect your profits. First, head over to TradingView and pull up the chart of the asset you're analyzing. I'm using a daily chart of Bitcoin for this demonstration, but the principles apply to any time frame and asset. Next, click on the Indicators button at the top of your screen. This will open a search window where we can find the Chande Kroll Stop. In the search box, type Chande Kroll Stop. You'll see it appear in the list. Click on it to add it to your chart. Now you should see the Chande Kroll Stop indicator overlaid on your chart. It consists of two lines: an upper line, which suggests a stop-loss level for short positions, and a lower line, which suggests a stop-loss level for long positions. Let's quickly look at the settings. The key parameters are ATR length, multiplier, and long short-term multiplier. ATR length determines the period used to calculate the average true range. A higher value makes the stop less sensitive. Multiplier adjusts the distance of the stop from the price based on volatility. The long short-term multiplier increases or decreases the risk. Feel free to experiment to find what works best for your strategy. The beauty of the Chande Kroll Stop is its dynamic nature. As the price moves and volatility changes, the stop-loss levels automatically adjust, protecting your position while giving it room to breathe. Use the lower line as a guide for setting stop-loss levels on long positions, and the upper line for short positions. Remember to always consider your individual risk tolerance and trading strategy before making any trades. That's the Chande Kroll Stop in a nutshell. Use it wisely, combine it with other indicators, and always prioritize sound risk management. Now go and implement this into your trading strategy.